Hello, and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. If you use Google Drive on your phone and want to rename a folder, this video is for you. We'll guide you through each step using the official Google Drive app. Follow along and you'll be done in less than a minute. Open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Tap on the Files icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the folder you want to rename. After that, tap on the three vertical dots next to the folder's name to open the Options menu. Now, select the option labeled Rename. Type in the new name you want to give your folder. Finally, tap Rename again to confirm your changes. That's it. You've successfully renamed your folder in Google Drive using your phone. If this video helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.